Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning O. How to write O? Draw a semicircle and connect to that another semicircle. Then draw a sleeping line from the center like this. Draw a standing line touching the sleeping line and draw one more standing line next to it. Finish it with a sleeping line on the top and draw a hook on the second standing line. Now we have learned O. Now let us learn some words which begins with the letter O. Os, dewdrops. Oakley, mortar. So we have learnt os, dewdrops and Oakley mortar. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos and subscribe to our channel.